Namaste everyone. So today we will learn what number should be added with the given number to make a perfect square number. So I am talking about exercise 6.4 question number 5.1. The question is 525. So with 525 what list number should be added with 525 to make it a perfect square number. So we will be doing this by division method. So 525. Now at first you make pairing. So we know that we have to make pair from last. Now start the process division method. So 2 2s are 4. Now do subtraction. 5 minus 4, it is 1. So this 25, it will come down. 2 double, it is 4. Now with 4 what you will multiply? So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 84. So it is 84. Now try for 43 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, 129. So let us take 2. If I take 2 here, it is 84. 5 minus 4, 1. 12 minus 8, it is 41. So 41 is the remainder. Now this process means when we have to add the number, the process is something different. So what we can say that 525, 5 from here what we can conclude, 525 is greater than 22 square, because you see 20, if I take 22 square, here remainder is 41. That means what? 525, it is greater than 22 square. So let us take the next natural number, that is 23. So what is the square of 23? Let us do. So 23 into 23. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. So 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4. It is 529. 529. So now what we have to do? We have to subtract 529 minus 525. So do subtraction. 529 minus 525. The answer is 9 minus 4, it is 4. So it is, you see, 4 is the least number that should be added with 525 to make it a perfect square number, because now, so therefore 4 is the least number. Okay, that should be added to 525 to make it a perfect square number. So therefore the perfect square number is 525 plus 4. So it is 529. So now if I take 529, let us confirm it. So 2 2s are 4, 129. So 2 double, it is 4. Now since last digit 9 is there, so we can take 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. You see 129 has come. So here 3 and here 3, 129. So the square root of 529, it is 23. Therefore square root of 529 is 23. So in this way we can find the least number which should be added with the given number to make it a perfect square number. So this is the process. Now let us take an example of a decimal number, okay, of a perfect square number which has a decimal number. So how can we find the square root of that perfect square number? So let us take an example 6.25. So it is a perfect square number which has a decimal point. So how to find the square root of this decimal number. So the process is what? Before decimal you should do pairing from last, but after decimal it should be start from first. Okay, suppose for example if the number is like this 234.765, this is not a perfect square number, but I am giving an example. Now before decimal you should do pairing from last, and after decimal the pairing should be done from first. So in this way you have to do the pairing. This is not, again I am repeating, this is not a perfect square number, only how to do the pairing, that one I have shown. So this is a perfect square number 6.25. so we have to take out the square root of this number. So at first we have to do pairing. Now the process is the same. So 6, that means what? 2 square is 4, 3 square it is 9. So 3 square is 9, 9 is greater than 6. So we can't take 3 square, we have to take 2 square. So 2 into 2, it is 4. The 2 minus 6 minus 4, it is 2. Now what will happen here? Point, you see the here point is that this point will come here. Okay, and this 25 it will come down. Now 2, what is double of 2? It is 4. So write here 4. Now since you see here it is 5, at the unit place 5 is there, so what we have to multiply? We have to write 45 into 5. Whatever number we have taken here, the same number should be multiplied. So 45 into 5. 5 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 4 is 20, it is 22. So that means here we will write 5 and here we will write 5. So it is 225. So therefore what is my answer? Therefore root over 6.25, the answer is 2.5. So I hope now all the concepts, whatever concepts are there in this chapter, I have given you, and I hope you can solve all the exercise problem. So if you face any problem, just you can give message to my personal WhatsApp number, then I will clear your doubt. So you start doing all the questions whatever I have given you as a homework. With this I want to conclude. That's all. Thank you.